Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can know how you can have a nutrition and fitness guide app, and it will by using this app, like, you can get the nutrition guide, the fitness guide. You will get that which food you should take and which food will help you in these things, like getting nutrition, vitamins and all. So vitamins, and also for that you have to watch the full video. So let's get started. First you have to download the health and nutrition guide app, guide and fitness calculator. So you have to install it. Then it's installing. Yes. Okay, so let's just wait until it install. Yeah, it's done. So now installing. Now you have to just open it, scanning and all. Yeah, after opening, look here, the app is opening, and you have to select which food you are. So if you click on non-vegetarian, click on non-veg if you are non-veg. So mutton, prawns, octopus, chicken, you can here see 250 kilocalorie, fat is 12.56 gram, protein 24.68 gram. So you can see vitamin A, pantothenic acid, B5, sodium, iron 9% in this. From this app you can get these things, and these things are really useful for getting or having a healthy lifestyle. And so that's it guys, that's how you can get a healthy lifestyle by using this app. And I think it's a really useful app for you guys. And nowadays we don't maintain our food, or like food thing and immunity boosting, what we need we don't maintain actually. But after using this app, I think you can maintain your like food habit and all, like which foods are good for you, you can know by yourself. Like here you can see world best food. Here this option also they gave. So here you can see superfoods for here, then plant-based omega superfoods for your health, protein rich food, iron rich food, calcium, magnesium, manganese rich food. So all of here you can find anti-aging food. I know we have skincare routines you guys follow, so these are really good for skin, like coconut, blackberries, almonds, avocado, then pomegranate, spinach, turmeric. So these are the food, and garlic, these are the food this will help you for anti-aging, and these are called to be an anti-aging food. So like this how you can use this app. And here you can see when they gave the energy, the carb, the fat, fiber, all of it, which vitamin will you get by eating these foods like almonds and all. So that's it guys, that's how you can use this app, and that's how you can be like you can have a good like nutrition and good healthy life you can have by using this app. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel.